How do you know when the cops come? There's the stars?
Right there. She's calling the cops.
Oh, her. You can hear the tires pop.
Yep.
That's slow. GT, you don't really hear that, I don't think. They went real with this.
Whoops! Damn it.
Oh.
I didn't mean to shoot them.
Oh, yeah, that'll be murder. Police are in pursuit. I tried running away.
And here's a chopper.
Oh, already?
Watch.
They have a bazooka? Oh, you can hack them.
Hack the chopper.
Oh, look at that. That's cool, man. Oh, here we go.
Time to leave.
Oh, wow, look at that.
I got like 3 patrol cars on me.
Shit.
Get off me. Damn. Crash.
I crashed in. Yeah, look at the buildings. This is real.
I lost them. Well, actually, not yet. I will in a second.
I don't see them. Or escaped. Look at that. That's pretty quick.
Then I just parked my car. Let's go grab another one. And then I can press circle to hide in the car, and he turns off the engine.
Oh, wow.
Kind
That's
of ducks
cool.
down and just uses his phone that can hack stuff.
Wow, that's cool, man.
Starts the car back up, and I drive away.
That's pretty awesome.
You might even know the song Nas, One Mic.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Music in here.
Yeah. You know this one.
Kid Cudi. Day and Night.
I
Yeah.
like this song. This is my favorite song in the
Kid
game.
Kid Cudi. Yeah. Yeah.
The bridge.
Day and Night. Yep. There's the bridge. Chicago Bridge.
One of them.
Oh, they got a few maybe. It looks more like New York, too, a little.